Well, there's that heat trying to come northeastward here. We've had temperatures, more than 100 degrees in parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, down into Arkansas today, and even southwest Missouri. So a little taste of this. It's going to be a warm night, and tomorrow's going to be a very warm to hot day, and it's going to be muggy. But we're also watching the severe storms in Iowa. Now, you can see the watches up here. This will keep roaring through northwest Illinois, but it should fall apart rapidly as it approaches our area with dry air and just warm temperatures as you go up. So we're not going to get much out of that. And we've got to watch barrels still, because in terms of getting something out of storms or cold fronts, barrel is still a question mark for us actually, because the trend is certainly to bring the category 4 hurricane. It was a 5 last night. Keep it towards the Yucatan Peninsula, but once you get past the Yucatan, there's a little spread in the models. And some are trying to pull this storm up towards Texas or Louisiana, or maybe South Texas or northern Mexico. If it impacts the Texas coast or Louisiana, there's potential it could get pulled up into our area and bring rainfall, actually. But there's some question about that. Certainly, the better likelihood is more South Texas and over here towards northern Mexico. But there are some outliers that try to pull it up northward. Again, it's all going to depend on the position of that upper ridge. If it's out here, it kind of goes over this way. If the ridge is a little farther east, it could pull it up a little closer to us. That said, though, tonight's a warm one. We cloud up. We kind of get the leftovers of any of those storms in Iowa in the form of just a couple isolated showers very late tonight and early tomorrow morning, with lows around 70 to the mid 70s. Tomorrow's a muggy day. We're 87 to 92. Couple isolated morning showers, then it becomes partly cloudy. We may bubble up an isolated shower, thunder shower, but the key word's isolated here. Most of the area stays dry, and it's just going to be a breezy and just muggy, just kind of tropical feeling day with dew points rising into the 70s. 90 at Attica, 89 Flora, but the heat indices mid-90s to as high as 106. July 4th, though, a few scattered showers and a little thunder during the late morning and midday hours. Then we may have a break, and then perhaps a couple of thunderstorms towards evening. Again, coverage is only about 40%, but we'll have a few of these around. It's going to be a muggy day. Highs in the 80s, the heat index upper 80s to the mid 90s. There is Futurecast. Again, the leftovers or whatever's in Iowa come through in the morning. Just a couple isolated showers around, you see right there, and then maybe something isolated tomorrow afternoon. This is looking towards the 4th of July. This wave of some scattered showers and a little thunder come through late morning to midday, and then we may have a couple storms during the evening hours after that. And then perhaps some scattered storms on Friday. And once we get that out of here, we dry out on Saturday. But the key word with this rainfall is variable. Some places won't get much at all. Other places will get, say, 4/10, half an inch out of this. 84 Saturday, 86 on Sunday. But Sunday night through Tuesday, some scattered storms are possible. Temperatures in the 80s to near 90. And then we head back well into the 90s once again down the road.